Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how to fix internet problem in your Poco C61 smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, you have to open your settings. Then you have to open your app settings. Here it is, app settings. Click on apps, click on see all 54 apps, and you have to click on show system apps. Then you have to type here system, and you have to click on Android system. Click on storage and cache. Clear the cache of it. Press back. Then again you have to write system here, and here it is Android system intelligence. Click on storage and cache. Clear the cache if it is given. Press back. Then again you have to type Google and just simply swipe down, and here you can find Google Play services. You have to click on storage and cache, and you have to clear the cache, and simply you have to press back and go to settings. Swipe down, here it is system settings. Swipe down reset option, and here it is reset mobile network settings. You have to click on it, make a password, and your problem will be solved successfully. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.